When experiencing voice chat issues in Modern Warfare 3 on PlayStation 4, begin with hardware verification. First, check all physical connections to ensure your headset is properly connected. Verify that your headset is securely connected to your controller. For wireless headsets, try different USB ports on your console to rule out port-specific issues. Navigate to your PlayStation 4 system settings to test microphone functionality. Go to Settings, then Devices, then Audio Devices to access the microphone testing interface. In the Audio Devices menu, verify that your input device correctly shows your connected headset. Test the microphone level to ensure it is detecting your voice, and confirm the output device matches your headset configuration. Next, perform a complete system restart of your PlayStation 4. This means fully powering down the console, not using rest mode. After restarting, check for any available system software updates. Verify your PlayStation Network connection status to ensure network connectivity is not causing voice chat issues. A stable internet connection is essential for voice chat functionality. Finally, clear your PlayStation 4 cache by performing a specific power cycle procedure. Turn off your console completely, then hold the power button for at least 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This cache clearing process can resolve many underlying system issues that may be interfering with voice chat functionality. After completing these steps, test your microphone again in Modern Warfare 3. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of voice chat issues in Modern Warfare 3 on PlayStation 4. If problems persist after completing these steps, advanced configuration may be required. Advanced configuration begins with optimizing your PlayStation 4 audio settings for maximum voice chat performance. Navigate to Settings, then Devices, then Audio Devices. Set both input and output devices to your headset to ensure proper audio routing. These settings establish the foundation for reliable voice communication by ensuring your PlayStation 4 properly recognizes and prioritizes your headset audio. Network configuration is critical for maintaining stable voice chat connections across all gaming platforms. Essential network ports must be configured properly. Open TCP ports 80, 443, and 374, along with UDP ports 53, 88, and 374 for optimal connectivity. A wired Ethernet connection provides superior stability compared to wireless connections for voice chat applications. Regular system maintenance prevents voice chat issues before they occur through systematic updates and cache management. Implement a structured maintenance routine, weekly system restarts, monthly cache clearing, and quarterly headset firmware updates. Before each gaming session, verify system and game updates are current, and test network stability to ensure optimal voice chat performance. These advanced configuration steps and maintenance practices establish a robust foundation for consistent, high-quality voice communication in Modern Warfare 3.